These people that do the simulations, not only do they fail it, they all come away saying, you know what, I have a newfound respect for what law enforcement goes through. That's why some of these activists, these wannabe activists, they will not do the simulation. Listen, they understand what's going to happen. They understand the truth of what's going to happen, but it's going to screw up their entire narrative.
Right? Isn't that funny?
They're not going to be able to say what they have to say with the same conviction. Yeah, you got these people on Twitter. Some kid living in his mom's basement. He's 35-year-old and has never ventured outside of his basement, but he's played hours of Call of Duty, so he thinks he's got just as much say as an actual cop out in the street on what should and shouldn't have happened. Why didn't he just shoot the gun out of his hand? Why didn't he just shoot him in the leg? I saw someone said, why didn't he just tackle him? Excuse me, I'm not going to tackle someone that's got a gun. I don't feel like being shot at close range just because you in your basement can have a feel-good moment of, oh, well, look, the cop de-escalated. That happened. No, that's not de-escalating. That's being dumb and dying. That's why my response is always, if you don't have any actual police work doing this, if you've never strapped on a gun belt, if you've never strapped on a vest, if you don't know this is stand a foot post, and people walk past you and they feel good because you're standing there and they know they feel safe. They're safe at least for that those couple of yards while you're there. Then I really don't want to hear your opinion on what should and shouldn't have happened.